our exploration of vertebrates. In this video, we'll dive into the fascinating world of animals with backbones, discovering their unique characteristics in diverse classifications. Get ready to learn about the amazing creatures that make up this vital part of the animal kingdom. What are vertebrates? Vertebrates are animals that possess a backbone or spinal column, which provides structural support and protects the central nervous system. This group includes a diverse range of animals, from fish and amphibians to reptiles, birds, and mammals. Vertebrates are distinguished by their complex anatomy and high levels of organization compared to invertebrates. Now let's look at some animals that are considered as vertebrates. Lion. As a mammal, the lion has a well-developed backbone and spinal column that supports its muscular body. This structure allows it to move with power and agility, essential for hunting. Eagle. Eagles have a strong, lightweight backbone that supports their flight muscles and allows for powerful, sustained flight. Their vertebrate anatomy is crucial for their role as apex predators in the sky. Frog. Frogs possess a flexible backbone that aids in their unique mode of locomotion, including jumping and swimming. This vertebral structure is vital for their life both in water and on land. Shark. Sharks have a cartilaginous backbone, providing the necessary support and flexibility for their streamlined bodies. This allows them to be efficient, agile swimmers in the ocean. Snake. Snakes have a long, flexible backbone made up of many vertebrae, allowing for their characteristic slithering motion. This structure enables them to navigate various terrains and capture prey. Elephant. Elephants have a large, sturdy backbone that supports their massive bodies and enables them to carry heavy loads. This robust vertebral column is essential for their strength and stability. Turtle. Turtles have a rigid backbone that is fused with their shell, providing protection and structural support. This unique vertebral arrangement allows them to retract into their shells for defense. These are just a few animals that are considered as vertebrates. Vertebrates are divided into 5 categories, which are mammals, birds, fish, amphibians, and reptiles. Humans are also vertebrates because we have a well-developed backbone that supports our body structure and protects the spinal cord. This complex vertebral column allows for upright posture, movement, and flexibility. Additionally, like other vertebrates, humans possess an intricate skeletal system that supports our muscular and nervous systems. In conclusion, vertebrates are a diverse group of animals characterized by their backbone, which provides essential support and protection. From the powerful lion to the adaptable frog, each vertebrate showcases unique adaptations that help them thrive in their environments. By understanding the structure and role of the backbone in these animals, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and variety of life on Earth. Remember, even we humans are part of this fascinating group, connected by the shared trait of our vertebral column. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless.